Hello everyone, today I will give you a simple overview of our roadsweeper company and show how our companies are made. First, this is our factory. Here we use CNC machine to cut metal very accurately. You can also see the welding work, where our skilled workers carefully join different parts together to make them strong and durable. Next is our printing area. Here the machines are printed in different colors. We use modern methods to make sure the finishing looks good and lasts a long time. Our workers do every step with care. Here you can see different parts of the machine, like the dustbin and the upper section. These parts are made separately and then brought together. In the assembly area, all parts are put together to complete the machine. We have a large factory where we do everything from start to finish in one place. Our production process is very organized. With the help of automation, parts move easily from one section to another. Our roadsweeper are high quality, strong and reliable. We follow strict quality checks at every step. At the end of the day, all finished machines are packed and loaded for shipment to different countries. This is how our daily work goes: simple, organized and focused on quality.